Apecoin price prediction 2024 to 2033. Will APE break $3 resistance? Will Apecoin APE break the $3 resistance? The coin has already managed to break above $2.50 this month, with the market in a bull run. The coin is set to perform better. However, like most meme tokens, APE registers high volatility. In 2023, APE's decline accelerated in June, forcing it to trade below $2 multiple times. Positive market sentiment helped it hit the $1.434 mark in October. It continued rising this year, reaching a high of $2.50. APE price analysis one-day chart. APE turned bullish in October 2023, rising from as low as $1.14 to the year's highs. It is, however, down 70% in the last 12 months. This week, it fell below $1.40, losing most of its earlier gains. APE registers negative momentum this week amidst high volatility. Currently, the RSI is within the 30 to 70 neutral zone, which indicates the price is trending neutral. There is no divergence within the last 4 candles, which is no sign of price reversal at current levels. APE/USD 4-hour price chart. The 4-hour chart highlights Apecoin's movement and choppiness through April 2024. The MACD indicator shows the coin's negative momentum is slowing at a time when BTC broke below $68.000. The coin also experienced a massive sell-off on Friday. Apecoin price prediction 2024. APE will rise above $3 at its peak to reach $3.05. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $2.69 at its worst. Apecoin price prediction 2025. APE will trade at the $3.94 mark on average. It will rise above $4 at its peak to reach $4.51. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $3.83 at its lowest. Apecoin price prediction 2026. APE will trade at $5.67 on average. It will rise above the 2025 resistance at its peak to reach $6.63. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $5.51 at its worst. Apecoin price prediction 2027. APE will trade at the $8.16 mark on average. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $7.93 at its lowest. Apecoin price prediction 2028. APE will trade at $11.74 on average. It will rise above the previous resistance at its peak to reach $13.61. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $11.41 at its lowest. Apecoin price prediction 2029. APE will trade at the $17.23 mark on average. It will rise to $19.67 at its peak. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $16.76 at its lowest. Apecoin price prediction 2030. APE will trade at the $25.03 mark on average. It will rise to $29.20 at its highest. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $24.17 at its worst. Apecoin price prediction 2031. APE will trade at the $37.81 mark on average. It will rise above $40 resistance at its peak to reach $42.44. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $36.55 at its lowest. Apecoin price prediction 2032. APE will trade at the $52.84 mark on average. It will rise above $50 at its peak. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $63.83 at its worst. Apecoin price prediction 2033. Apecoin's price will trade at the $75.33 mark on average. it will rise above $80 at its peak. It will, however, drop below the mark, reaching $73.19 at its lowest. Apecoin price history. Yuga Labs founded Apecoin to power the entire operation of their apps and services offered for them to be improved. During its lake, APE price fell to a low of $6.48 within an hour, and it remained in a sideways range between that figure and $9.35 for the rest of the afternoon. Many investors were concerned by the huge gaps in APE's value, with several centralized exchanges claiming that Apecoin had dropped 80%. The same discrepancy was evident after initial listings on larger exchanges. Binance, for instance, registered a high of $28, while Gate.io went as far as $214. Yuga Labs has created an ecosystem where APE can be used as a governance and utility token. One example is the Other Side metaverse. APE would proceed to register its highest price at $39.40. The lowest was at $1. Like the Apecoin, the Yuga Labs NFTs have also registered high volatility and have lost most of their initial value. Conclusion. APE bears testament to the unforgiving nature of the crypto market. The coin has ridden the initial wave of the NFT markets and experienced multiple bullish and bear runs. A consistent trend is its volatility. Despite these factors, APE has provided utility to the Yuga Labs family, meaning it is much less of a meme token. This year, it has shown consistency, moving along the market sentiment rather than internal factors. As the year proceeds, it might as well trade higher provided the market does not reverse. Future projections are bullish, with the coin crossing above $10 in 2028 and $80 by 2033. Will APE crush? APE has proved volatile. While it might crush, it will recover to its former glory in preceding bull markets. The growth of the Yuga Labs ecosystem will also be integral in determining its future performance. Remember to include own research before putting your money into APE. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.